Well, yeah, that is the right one. So
Did she help you?
Yes.
Okay.
I just looked at everything, and she said, I wrote it down right here. Look.
Okay. Beverly said it's her, her initial is not seen.
That's what she just said.
But she said something to me when I went there and told her that you were gonna talk to her, that as long as her name's on the paperwork, which it should be on there somewhere, that her people can write their or their initials on there.
So she's saying she can do what she wants, not what the rules say.
That's what she told me.
And you're not going to enforce the rules either. You're going to do what she says. Just making sure. I'm not saying I'm making y'all do anything. I'm just asking what the story is.
They have to abide by the rules. It's not, it's a rule, it's not a law, TCA thing for us to enforce.
I know, and I was trying to.
If you're not happy with it, you can come down here and take out, you can talk to the judicial commissioner and take out a criminal summons about the, from whoever.
Well, if I have a crime, aren't I supposed to talk to a police officer and then you recommend me to somebody?
That's what I'm telling you right now. So if you think that you've got a crime going on, and if you feel that you want to arrest these folks, you can talk to the judicial commissioner and take out a criminal summons against them. And it's up to the judicial commissioner whether they give you one or not.
Well, let's say that I have my cuffs with me, but I arrested
You
the
can't
judge.
arrest physically somebody.
I know you say that, but you don't know what you're talking about.
I do know what I'm talking about. You
Well,
cannot-
you're refusing to let me show you, and that's a funny
You can
thing.
bring it back up, and he can read it as well. This is Major John Nettles.
Okay, he's
He
saying
can
that I
say-
can't arrest people. I can't put cuffs on people or anything like that. Is that true? I can't. You say I can't. Okay. Now, if I show you guys I can, I don't know what to do here. Okay. But you didn't want to look at it earlier. And that's
I read it. It just said that
I know, but
arrests
you
have to be made by an officer.
You didn't look at the rest of it. I was going to show you all ours. They read identically for me and you. All the stuff. It's all identical. The stuff we're required to do.
47109, arrest by private persons. A private person may arrest another for a public offense committed in the arresting person's presence when the person arrested has committed a felony, although
Not
not
in my
an
presence.
arresting person's
That's right.
present, or when a felony has been committed.
And this happened in my presence, a felony.
Cause to believe that the person arrested committed the felony. A private person who makes an arrest of another person at 47109, 47115 shall receive no arrest fee compensation for arrest.
I can't get any money for it. Now let me finish. Now, what do you guys say about that? I'm not trying to tell you your business. And here's the time I can arrest people. Here, and yours, it says right here, officers and me. We're right here together on everything. There's when I can do it, which is right now. I can do it right now. I'm allowed by law to do it right
A
now.
private person may make an arrest for a felony at any time.
Okay. So I'm allowed to make an arrest. I'm allowed to make it. And there's my ground. Now here's the disposition. Here's what I got to do with the people once I arrest them. And then I bring them to you, and you get two choices. You either write them a citation, or you book them.
Thank you.
Hey, thank y'all,
You
appreciate
get,
you.
book them, or I bring them to you. You book them, or you write them a citation. That's how it's supposed to go.
Is it this one here? This
Yeah.
disposition person? A private person who has arrested another for a public offense shall without necessary delay take the arrest person before a magistrate or deliver the arrested person
It's
to an
my
officer.
choice.
An officer may take before a magistrate without a warrant. Any person being engaged in the commission of a public offense is arrested by a bystander, delivered to the officer, and anyone arrested by a private person as provided in 4709, 47112, and delivered to the officer.
Okay. So you guys know I'm allowed to do what I'm about to do.
You're not going to be physically taken and put somebody in cuffs. You can talk to the judicial commissioner.
You're saying that you're going to not let me
I'm
arrest
telling
somebody.
you can talk to the judicial commissioner if you want to take out a warrant against them.
If you don't like the way we're conducting business, you can contact the district attorney.
No, I'm not asking y'all to do anything. I'm just letting you know what I'm about to do. And if you arrest me for doing it, then you're going to be committing a felony. Because I showed you I'm allowed to do it. And if you don't like it, that's fine. You don't have to like it. I don't want to do it. I want y'all to do it. It's your job. We all put money up instead of us arresting a bunch of people all the time. We pulled all our money and we hired y'all so y'all could do it for us. How can you have a right that I didn't give you as a citizen? All power is inherent in the people. That's
If you
what
don't
the
like the way we're conducting business,
No,
you can contact the district attorney's office.
No, I'm gonna go arrest that lady or that judge. That's what I want to do. I want y'all to do that, or I want to get to the bottom of this. You told me where the
So
other
does that
guy.
sound like a good thing for you to do, go and open?
No, I don't. No, I'm gonna wait for him to come out, but I don't want to do that.
Yeah,
But I feel compelled to
I'm biased
because-
against it.
They're committing a felony against me. Can I show you that?
I don't need to see it.
You don't need. So
Nothing.
you believe I can arrest people now?
No.
Why don't you believe me? I read the law. He read it to you. Why don't you believe what you read or what you heard? Does it sound too unreal or something?
Anything we help you with other than that?
No, I just want your word that you're not going to lay hands on me if I do something I'm allowed
I'm
to
not
do.
getting my word on anybody.
Okay.
I'm just telling you, it's probably not advisable to put your hands on anybody in the building.
It's
As
not
far
a-
as
or
that,
is
because it's over an initials and not signature on the paperwork.
No, it's a good felony against me, but you won't let me show you the felony. I tried to show you the
What's the
felony.
felony? What felony?
He said he
have
don't
they
wanna see
committed?
it.
What's the felony that they committed against
Official
you?
oppression, and I'll show it to you right here in black and white, please. Would you look at it at least?
I'll read it.
Okay, thank you for looking. I don't have all this memorized. It's under 39 criminal offenses. They repealed all these, and then they redid them all. Offenses, administration of government. Okay. Would you read out my form? That was really good.
Official oppression, public servant acting under a color of officer, employment commits an offense who petition subject another to mistreatment or arrest, detention, stop, frisk, hold, search, seizure,
Assessment, that's the one.
disposition, assessment, or lien with the public servant knows the conduct is unlawful or intentionally denies and impedes another for an exercise, enjoyment of any right, privilege, power, or immunity when the public servant knows the conduct is unlawful. For purpose of this section, the public servant acts under the color of official or employment that the public servant acts for purpose to act in an official capacity to take advantage or actual or perpetrated capacity. Offense under this section is classified felony. Charges for official oppression may be brought on an indictment, president, or criminal information, provided that nothing in this section shall deny a person from pursuing another criminal charge affidavit or complaint.
So when I said to him, those are a lady's initials, Beverly Jolly agrees with me. I have a witness I'm gonna call next time we go to court. He knows it's initials. Instead of admitting his mistake on this procedural thing that's gonna cost y'all millions of dollars probably, I'm not gonna get anybody in trouble though. Saying he made a procedural $1 million mistake and he's trying to cover it up and charge me $1,800 from that stupid debt collector that I don't owe. Because he's breaking the law and he's charging me money for doing it, which is official oppression, dude. He said that's her
What I would do if I were you, I'd have talked to an attorney.
I don't need an attorney. I know what the law says. I know more than y'all about arresting people, obviously. This is not good. I'm walking in here and I'm fully prepared and ready to do what I need to do. And you guys don't know what I'm talking about, and that troubles me. Don't they teach y'all how to arrest?
He and I are telling you that we advise you not to do that.
And I
If there's
appreciate
anything
your
else we can do
advice.
for you, you can holler at us, but we're done conducting our
If you're not
business.
willing to take care of business in there, then I don't guess I need you guys for anything. But I don't want you to lay hands on me later if I'm doing, because then you'll be in trouble and you won't get qualified immunity anymore. I've never sued a public official. I went down to Shelbyville. You see that notice right there, that grand jury notice? It says right here at the bottom. This section, or let's see. Where'd it go? Oh, they took it down. It says at the bottom, failure to put this notice up means you lose your job as a clerk. I went down to Shelbyville and I slid that paper over. She came running out. Oh my God, didn't know, I'm like, it's fine, just fix your problem. And I let it go. She could have went to jail for that stuff. She could have lost her job. I'm not hurting anybody. But that man was taking my money and he's committing a felony. And I need y'all to do something
I don't
about it.
see how he's taking any money from you whenever he just.
That piece of paper right there is worthless.
He told
It's
you
not-
that the case has been put off for 60 days.
Yeah.
So it's supposed to come back in 60 days.
Instead of dismissing it because he knows that that's not a signature on there, he knows that their clerk made a mistake and he's covering it up.
He's not dismissing, he's just continuing it.
He's continuing, and that's between you and the
Okay,
judge.
so I'm gonna call y'all as witnesses next time. Because I asked Sparks, he said he was gonna go look at her license and he did it. He went and took somebody's word.
We're not going to interrupt court like Sparks
No, I don't
told
want you to. I wanna wait and
You
do
just
it
asked
after
for us to
court.
look at her license. She's inside the courtroom, dude.
Yeah, I thought, when going
Yeah,
break
we
in,
can't
go up there.
interrupt court.
No, I don't want y'all to do that. I just wanna do the right thing. What should I do? You tell me what I should do. Should I just give the guy $1,800 or $2,500 and go home?
I'm telling you that the case has been put off and wait until 60 days to come back to have it.
And then when I come back to the argument, I say, this is still an initial, and he's like, no, it's a signature, and we're still back at square one again, and 60 more
That's
days.
between you and the judge. That's
No,
what
it's
the-
between me and the person committing a felony. It's on y'all, and you're acting like he didn't commit a felony. What is it you don't understand about him breaking the law?
So you don't think that initial stands for a signature?
No.
That's why they've done it?
Initials are not signatures. They're not the same.
That's your opinion.
No, it's not. That's the law. Look up the
That is your
legal.
opinion.
No, it's not.
I can sign my name how I want to sign my
Dude,
name.
you didn't know I could arrest people till 15 minutes ago, and you're telling me you know about signatures now?
I still don't believe what you're saying.
Oh my
So why
God,
do
you
you think
got
I
to be
believe in
kidding
you?
me. You don't believe me? God, what can I do here? I read the law to you. He read the law to you.
I think the best thing you can do is grab your paperwork.
You don't
and head
wanna
to the
believe it.
car and come back in 60 days when you're supposed to. That's the
And
best
do
case
what?
scenario.
And do what? Have the same argument again and try to get cops to do something again in 60 days. Right now, it's happening. The felony just happened.
Well, you need to take good advice when he says that you need to get an attorney and come back.
I don't
and
need
go
an
argue
attorney
your
to
side.
come back. I don't need an attorney.
Well, then it's your fault if you win or you lose, right?
Well, no, it's gonna be your fault if y'all get in trouble for not doing the right thing. I don't understand why y'all
I
don't
didn't
do
bring your
anything.
ass here to court.
Why are you cussing at me?
I'm not cussing at you.
You said
I'm saying I
ass.
didn't bring your ass to court.
You don't think
So
ass
you-
is a swear word?
Dude, I'm not playing these games with you.
What is a game? I just said, why are you cussing at me? And you said you weren't cussing. You said the word ass. And I'm asking you, is
Yeah,
ass a
and
swear
I'm
word?
able to say that.
And I'm asking you why you're swearing at me.
Because I can say what I want to
Then why
say.
do you say that the first time instead of saying you weren't swearing? You see what I mean?
You got any business here?
Yes.
Okay, what else do you have to do here?
I have lots to do here.
Okay.
After you tried to kick me out last time, I got more information. I'm gonna
You're
sit here.
welcome to sit in here in the lobby.
I'm
until the
welcome to
hour's
be anywhere
closed.
in public I want to be is what I'm welcome to.
Yes, sir, you are. That's what I'm telling you. You can say where you
And if
want
I
to
need
say.
y'all, I'll holler, I reckon. And if you wanna, I ain't gonna resist you later, and I'll do whatever you order me to do. But you ain't gonna be happy about it.
Okay.
He's got her back in.
Huh?